In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboards theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders and hit apply. To customize it though, click on the same color palette, but this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to use as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move. And when you're finished, select next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!